This is video how to choose computer furniture. It is a YouTube playlist how to set up your computer room. These videos are in the playlist. 10 best computer accessories. This recommends the 10 accessories most people should have and describes several other accessories. How to choose computer furniture. Shows how to choose computer furniture to fit your computer system. How to hook up your computer will show you how to connect the various parts of your computer system. How to customize your computer furniture will show you how to make changes such as adding shelves or drilling holes for the wiring to best fit your actual computer accessories so you can mount and use them efficiently on your computer desk suite. You can open the playlist by clicking the link in the video description, or you can open my web page at URL https://www.tomstechnotes.com/video links. There's a clickable link on that page to open this playlist. Choose a computer desk large enough for 1 or 2 monitors. I recommend 2 monitors. And enough room for an answering machine, telephone, notepads, and so forth. I suggest you do not get one of those massive and expensive computer desks with a glass-doored cabinet above the computer. Those things are very heavy and almost impossible to move out from the wall to get to power outlets and internet or phone connections. I recommend using an inexpensive computer desk suite from an office supply store. Many suites include the computer desk, a hutch, maybe out of the picture, but there's a matching bookcase, and there's a file cabinet printer's support table on wheels. Most computer desks have a niche below the desk for the tower. Desks come with several holes or knockouts for computer wiring, but you may have to drill more holes with a large drill bit or a hole saw. Office supply and hardware stores have hardware to pretty up the holes you drill. I've added 2 shelves between the desk and the bookcase for a color inkjet printer, 2 hard drives, a Hutu 7-port USB 3.0 hub, and a charging strip, which is a power outlet where I plug in my devices that I need to charge, and there is even room for a storage box to keep my charging adapters. I have also added a PVC pipe to the desk to hang my headphones. Some other suggestions. Put a floor protector under your computer chair so that rolling back and forth won't destroy the carpet or the floor. You may need to put a small rug under the desk where your feet are if you use your computer without shoes and your feet have a bad reaction to the floor protector. Many of them are plastic. I've attached a studio quality microphone with a pop filter mounted on an adjustable boom so I can position the mic between the 2 monitors and in front of my mouth without blocking my view. What I do when I'm recording tutorials is I read a script from the left monitor and then do actions that I'm recording with the video capture program on the right monitor. You probably have different computer equipment, but hopefully this video will give you some ideas for choosing your computer furniture. The first part of this video was made several years ago, and I've changed monitors and printers. I'm also now using a Shure SM35 head-worn mic that's more expensive but much more versatile than the boom-mounted Blue Yeti mic shown earlier. The mic is hard to see, but it's hanging on a PVC pipe below the right end of the keyboard shelf. If you like this video, please like it and add a comment. If you subscribe and request email notifications,
You'll be notified when videos are added to the channel. To visit my channel, click my name, Thomas Wallace, or my photo. Here's how to visit Tom's Tech Notes later. The address of the website is tomstechnotes.com, and to visit my channel, just search for TOMSTDA.